All right, Microstrategy update here on the 18th. Here's my count from the bottom. So we get a impulse up here. This right here gets kind of tricky if you're trying to turn that into an impulse, but I have that as an ABC move. You can see here it hits the very top of this, so ABC, and then we get an impulse down here. I have the second wave ending right here. And then we have pretty obvious 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up here. And since November, we've been consolidating almost 3 months now. We're in a 4th wave. So if I would have made the second wave right here, then it would have changed things because, or no, let me go back to this. If I would have made the second wave right here and the first wave ending right here, it would change everything because you'll notice that this would say the 4th wave is probably already finished. But now, if you realize that the first wave ended farther down here, it changes everything. So I'll show you here in a second. You can see here we haven't crossed outside of this parallel line here. And so just like everything else, I've gone over Mara, I've gone over coin. I still believe that this has more downside. And I have this as an A wave. And I'm looking for a B wave up here. I think this should get a move higher, similar to Bitcoin when I'm predicting on Bitcoin. And then from there, we should see one more move down here to probably 280-ish, maybe all the way down here to like 250, 260, something like that, is what it looks like to me at the moment. Let's zoom in here a little bit farther, and you can see here, ABC. So this is looking to me like ABC, something like this, come back up here, and then come back down here. And then that would be the 4th wave, and then we can make the 5th wave higher. And who knows, maybe it'll go to $700-800, maybe even 1,000. We'll see. But that is the MicroStrategy update. Let's just go ahead and include the other crypto stocks. I went over Mara on a couple days ago and basically explained I'm basically looking for the same thing. I'm looking for a C wave higher. And I have this as an A wave. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, A, B, C, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, potentially. That would be the overall B wave. And then I'm looking for this. So Mara is the exact same as MicroStrategy. Let's go over coin now. And then Bitcoin. So coin, I said in the last video, I wouldn't be surprised if it came down here really quickly and filled this gap. It's pretty close to it now. And this can now be ABCA, ABCB for the overall B wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, ABCB, and then fall down here for a C wave to complete the overall 4th wave. So all of these are showing more downside in my opinion, but I think we're going to get another, let's see, if this finishes today or the next couple of days. This took about 24 days. We're sitting now on 25 days. You're probably looking at this to finish here in the next couple of days. And then you have another move up. That'll probably take us all the way into, I would say, mid-March maybe. Something like that, maybe early March. And then you'd be looking for this to start the move down. Maybe it takes all the way till April. And then in April or in mid-March, we head down here to finish off this move. So I think that Bitcoin is probably going to stall out for a while. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. And it's the same thing, in my opinion. It's, get rid of this. I think that this is likely A, B, C, B, and then come down here one more time. Could potentially go all the way down to 78,000. Not sure if it will go that far. This right here, let's go actually zoom out here on Bitcoin. So third and fourth wave are pretty obvious. Now let's just go on this wave. You don't need to do the long term. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, 4. And then 5 waves up. So I'll draw it out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, 4, and then 5 waves higher. So you can see how they all pretty much are on the same count. As of now, that's what it looks like. I'll update another time if it changes, but right now I'm looking for higher, probably into somewhere between March and April. I'm looking for a higher move from here. Mara needs to hold. It needs to hold that low though. So Mara needs to hold 1569. And then it can go higher and make 5 waves. So it looks like it's already started at 1, 2. My internet's going a little bit off here, but it looks like this is a wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3, 4, and 5 higher. So it looks like we're making a second wave here. Anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. I'll do another update on the overall market here in a bit, but that is crypto for now.